Hey guys, what's up? And it's time to do a speed test comparison between a Oppo A5s versus the Honor 8C. And A5s is giving you a MediaTek Helio P35 processor with a 3GB RAM, while the Honor 8C is giving you a Qualcomm Snapdragon 632 processor with a 3GB RAM. So let's quickly boot both of these phones up at the same time. And Honor 8C is faster and Oppo A5s is right behind, about 1 or 2 second difference between both of these phones. Everything is closed up in the background, the phone dialer application, and faster on the A5s, and 8C is right behind. Next up is the settings, and again faster on the Oppo A5s, and Honor 8C is right behind, launching the mic clock, and that was about the same on both phones. Launching some more application like the calendar application, and faster on the Honor 8C this time, and A5s is right behind, launching the calculator on both phones. Boom. And faster on the 8C, and A5s is right behind, launching some games application. At first is the Candy Crush. And Oppo A5s is faster and Honor 8C is right behind, half a second difference there. Next up is the Subway Surfer on both phones. And Honor 8C is faster and A5s is huge difference because A5s is showing me a logging thing, so that is why a huge difference in this game. Launching the last game application is the Temper Run 2. And Honor 8C is again faster there with a faster processor, I believe. Last opening up the application that is called as the camera, and faster on the A5s, and Honor 8C is right behind. Launching the internet browser on both phones, Google Chrome on both phones. Show you guys what is the speed in internet browser. And the first website is the wikipedia.org, and that was about the same on both phones. Maybe the Honor 8C is just a tiny bit faster there. Launching the youtube.com, and I think Honor 8C is just a tiny bit faster there. You guys are the judge of the speed test, looking very smooth. Let's see the RAM measurement on both phones. Both phones is giving you a 3GB RAM. And refresh on the Oppo A5s. Again refresh on the A5s. And last is the internet browser on both phones. And overall I would say that the app's opening speed is faster on the Honor 8C and some application faster on the Oppo A5s, and RAM measurement is very good on both phones. One refresh on the Honor 8C. Thank you so much for watching this speed test between a Oppo A5s versus a Honor 8C. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Subscribe to my channel for future content. Follow me on Facebook, Instagram and Twitter as well. And I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.